Joy. Hi, Joy. How are you today, Joy? Wait. Oh, I can hear you now. Are you okay? Yes, that is good to know. Did you eat your dinner already, Joy? Why are why are you using a filter? Did you eat dinner? Did you eat? No, not yet. Where did you go today, Joy? Did you play outside? Did you go to the park? No, you did not. Okay. Now, let me share my screen, Joy, and
Có, mẹ em làm cái gì?
okay, so we'll proceed to your workbook directly. It's 72.
I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
No, you're not very hungry. Now, let us have this one. So, in here, you have to listen and number the correct picture. Okay, so let us listen to it.
Page 72. B. Listen and number. 1,
Look at this spider. I like science.
Which picture? It, which picture was discussed or talked about in the audio, Joy? It, which one? Okay, let us listen to it. Wait, let me stop sharing. Yes, I did share my audio so you can hear
page
it.
72. B. Listen and number. 1,
Look at this spider. I like science.
Okay, look at the spider. I like science. Okay, where is the spider? Can you number it one? Where is the spider?
No. I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know what a spider is?
I
This is
don't
a
know.
spider.
I don't.
This is a spider. Look at the spider. I like science. Okay, science. Now, next one, Joy.
2,
Look at these. They're old. I like social studies.
Okay, what about for that? Look at these. They're old. I like social studies. They're old. Which among the pictures shows something old, Joy? Where is your pen, Joy? Oh, see. Oh, so you can't use your pen tonight. Now let's just skip this one, okay? Let's just skip it. Okay, so we'll have a quick review first. Joy, remember this is science, art, math, PE, music, and social studies. And I know you are familiar with it all except social studies, right? Yes. Oh, you have your pen. You have your pen now? Okay, wait. Okay, let us try this. So, can you tell me, Joy, what's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject? You tell me, what's his favorite subject? His is science. Okay, again, Joy, here are the subjects we've got. Okay, so we have science, art, math. Okay, I think I will not um zoom it in so you can see it. Okay, now can you tell me what's his favorite subject, Joy? But it's too small. What's his favorite subject?
Like this, but
Which one? Math? Math? Oh, okay. You like math. Now, Joy, can you tell me again? You have to tell me what his or her favorite subject is. Okay, like for example, his or her favorite subject is science. Okay, now let us have the first one. Look at him. What's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject? Can you say his favorite subject is science? Can you tell me again what's his favorite subject? Can you tell me? Let's enjoy. What's his subject? You tell me your answer, Joy. On the screen. Okay. Can you say his favorite subject is science? Joy. Okay. Wait. Let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again.
Đừng viết gì cả, chỉ cần nói cho tôi tất cả câu trả lời của bạn.
Okay.
Đừng viết gì cả, chỉ cần nói cho tôi tất cả câu trả lời của bạn.
Okay, so now we'll begin. Yeah, Joy, can you tell me what's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject? Joy? You hear me, Joy? You see? Okay. What's his favorite subject? It's science. Okay, I think you find this one difficult. Okay, so we'll just go back to that one next meeting, okay? We'll now have lesson 2 classes. Now, can you tell me, Joy, what's this? Can you read it? Can you read it, Joy?
Like think hat swimming
Okay, can
next
mm-hmm.
class.
Okay, yes. So we will talk about classes here. We have karate class, dance class, swimming class, and English class. Do you have karate class, Joy? Do you have karate class? Do you have karate class? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you do. Wow. Do you have a dance class? Do you have a dance class? Do you have a dance class? Do you have a dance class, Joy? Yes or no?
Yeah. No.
Oh, no, you don't. What about a swimming class? Do you have a swimming class, Joy? A swimming class? Hi, Joy.
Hello, teacher.
Can you tell me, do you have a swimming class? Do you have a swimming class? Are you listening, Joy? Joy, do you have a swimming class? Yes or no?
No.
No, you don't. Do you have an English class?
No.
Nope. But we're having our English class now, so yes, you do. This is an English class, Joy. So yes, you have an English class. Okay, so now let's have this. Okay, Danny goes to karate class on Mondays. Again, look at the picture given, Joy. Danny goes to karate class on Monday. Okay, what about Julie? Can you make a sentence? Julie, okay. Can you listen now, Joy? Can you tell me? Julie,
Judy.
make a sentence like this. Danny goes to karate class on Mondays. What about Julie?
Go. 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 Go.
Dance class
Anything
on?
on Tuesday.
Okay, yes, very good. Julie goes to dance class on Tuesdays. Now, what about Mike? Mike, what about Mike? Mike,
So when I class on Wednesday.
Okay, very good. Now what about J?
J go to the math
English.
and let's play on Thursday.
Okay, very good. And what about Emma?
Emma go to the swimming
Swimming class.
on Friday.
Very good. And last one, Carla.
Carla go to the
Dance.
dance today on Saturday.
Okay, see, you can do it, Joy. It's just that you need to focus, okay? Now let us have this. Okay, so when does he or she go to karate class? He or she goes to karate class on Tuesdays. Now let us have her first. When does she go to karate class, Joy? When does he go to karate class? Look at the screen, Joy.
He go he go to the cat
On?
on Tuesday.
Very good. He goes to karate class on Tuesdays. When does she go to swimming class?
He got to the swimming cat. Go. No.
On? See, we have here the day of the week. On? When does she go to swimming class?
He go to the dentist on
Goes
Friday. One.
Joy. Can you tell me when does she go to dance class? When does she go to dance class?
He go to he go to dance class
On?
on Friday.
Okay, on Friday.
Class on
When does he go to karate class?
he go to class. I don't know.
Why don't you know? Here's the time of the week, Joy. Here are the days of the week. Monday. Monday. See? Okay, again. When does he go to karate class? Okay, yes.
To the Wednesday at
What he go to the Wednesday?
at Wednesday.
Not at Wednesday, on Wednesday, Joy. We never use that for the days of the week. It's always on.
At Saturday.
Not at Saturday, Joy. Remember, Joy, we have here the days of the week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the days of the week. For the days of the week, we will use the preposition on. Okay? Not at, not in. It's always on. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. Not at. Okay? Don't answer too quickly, Joy, so I can correct your answer. Okay? So now let us have a singing activity with the title Karate Class. Okay, let us sing this one.
Page 75. D. Sing. Karate class.
He go to homework class on Monday. He go to swimming class on
Monday,
Okay,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday, Saturday.
He
He
goes
He
goes
goes
to
to
English
karate class on Monday. Karate class on Monday.
Karate class on
Monday.
He goes
He
to
goes
swimming
swim
class
on
on
Tuesdays.
Tuesdays.
Swimming class on Tuesdays.
Swimming class on Tuesdays. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. She goes to dance class on Wednesdays.
Dance class
on
on Wednesdays.
Dance class
class
on Wednesdays. She goes to English class on Thursdays. English class on Thursdays. English class on Thursdays. Hi, hello.
Hello,
How are you?
How are you?
Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, that is it for our singing activity, Joy. So now we'll have this one. Okay, now we have here Dan. Yeah, it's okay. You have Yes, all you have to do is to tell me what class they are in. Okay, so Jan has, what is it? Is it a karate class, English class, swimming class, or dance class? What is it, Joy? What is it? It's an, it says, hello. Is that a karate class, English class, swimming class, or dance class?
English class.
Very good. Now, what about this one? Anne has a, is it a karate class? Swimming. Yes, can you say karate class? Karate class. Okay, now what about Dan? Dan has,
And dance
yes, is it,
class.
okay, dance class. Now what about Tom? Tom.
Go to the swimming class.
Okay, very good. Tom goes to swimming class on Thursdays. Do you know how to swim, Joy? Can you swim? Yes, you can.
No,
Oh, you don't know. Why did you not? You said, okay, so you don't know how to swim. That is
I go to
okay.
a small. I go to a small pool.
Oh, you go to the
I
small
like that
pool.
one. I
Oh,
miss that.
oh, that is so small. Why? Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it sunny? Is it
No,
sunny in the
it's
afternoon?
cold. I like.
Oh, it is cold. Okay, well, that is good. Oh, you have a fan? Oh, you have a pen. Okay, but our class is done, Joy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, Joy.